the Supreme Court is hearing the case of Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea. And let's take a look at what has happened now, because the Supreme Court has said that they don't want Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to continue to perform his duties as Chief Minister once he is released. And if the elections were not being held at this time, there would not be question of interim bail being given to Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court has also stated that Chief Minister Kejriwal will not sign any files, with the condition that the Lieutenant Governor may not stop any work on the ground that has not been signed as a file by Arvind Kejriwal. Ankush on the telecast with me. Ankush, if you could just reiterate what exactly has the Supreme Court said. So, likelihood of bail being given to Arvind Kejriwal today, does this become a possibility now? Ayush, can you hear me?
I'm sorry, you were not audible. Can you please repeat a question?
Yeah, of course. You tell me what the Supreme Court has said. Is there bail that is being guaranteed to Arvind Kejriwal today?
See, as of now, no bail has been guaranteed yet, but the Supreme Court is constantly saying that there are some obstacles in bail when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal, since he is a PM and he has many departments and many ministries which can affect the case, as the case is concerned to a liquor policy which was framed by Aam Aadmi Party in 2022 and was taken just a few months after. And now the Supreme Court is concerned that whether Arvind Kejriwal will affect the case or not, whether he can sign or not sign any such file or any such case of any department or ministry which will be directly or indirectly linked to this case. But Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi is stating that if LG does not stop any such file for a mere sign of CM, then Arvind Kejriwal will not sign any such file. However, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta is saying that there are certain instances in the past where the court has granted bail but has stopped the Chief Minister for not signing any file or to participate in any political position.
Okay.
But the Supreme Court is saying that since Lok Sabha elections are going,
why is this condition being attached to Arvind Kejriwal not doing any of his duties as the Chief Minister? Because while behind bars, he has continued to follow up on the developments of all the ministries. He has been holding meetings inside the jail.
See, Arvind Kejriwal was saying that he will run the government from inside this jail, which Aam Aadmi Party was also campaigning कि सरकार जेल से चलेगी. But however, that is not physically possible. It may sound good, but that's not however possible, since Arvind Kejriwal was allowed to meet only twice and there are only 6 people which were allowed to meet, that too twice a week. So Arvind Kejriwal cannot hold meetings inside Tihar jail. And now when the court is saying that if bail is granted to Arvind Kejriwal, he will not follow up on the ministerial works, so that the liquor policy case will not be directly or indirectly affected by him being out on bail. But as of now, we have to look for the Gurucharan Singh versus State of Delhi case, where the bail was denied by the Supreme Court, stating that if the accused was set free, they could tarnish, tamper or affect any evidence. Over to you.
Right. Also give us a clarity now. If allowing Arvind Kejriwal to get out of jail is then going to result, is he then going to be allowed to campaign for the party ahead of the Delhi elections?
Well, as of now, he can campaign if bail is granted to him, because the only request for bail is that the Supreme Court cited an example that a farmer would obviously water his field and a shopkeeper would obviously open his shop. So being a Chief Minister, we cannot deny him of his basic rights and duties. So Arvind Kejriwal being a Chief Minister and being a head of the party, and a party which is the third phase in this Lok Sabha elections and a big part of the INDIA bloc. So Arvind Kejriwal can campaign if he can get bail, because this is the only ground why he is seeking bail. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Ayush, for giving us those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.